I was so drastic. What's up, Raising KM family? Is it Raising KM? Raising KM family? Or is it Demani the
Raising KM family.
Or is it Demani the
Raising KM family.
Raising K. It's Raising Demani. You're not raising me. Girl, you're crazy. Okay. What's up, KM family? We are back with another video. We're actually just out going to get Demani some hair supplies and me some. I need to take my hair down, but I don't want to take it down because then I'm not going to want to comb it. So I'm going to leave it up until I can get it redone. And Demani's is everywhere. No, it really ain't everywhere. But we finna go in here and get her some hair stuff and also let Demani pick a fidget. What'd you say? What'd you say? So what?
I never said so.
What'd you say?
No.
Let me see your camera. Demani, you want me to... Girl? Demani got her camera, I got my camera. Let us get in this stove, get out, come back and comb her hair, and then figure out what the rest of the day got.
What's the reason?
You ready? Okay, y'all, we finna go in. We're gonna let Demani pick the fidget. I'm gonna also go pick out the hair stuff. I be trying not to leave my phone, y'all. Yeah, but we used to couldn't even come in this store without a mask. Ain't that crazy? How time just going by. 1 minute we gotta wear a mask, the next minute we don't. Whatever you want, baby. Y'all, that music always so loud, might get me copyrighted. But here's the... Slow me down. Hey, I don't know, y'all, what hair stuff to get. People make me nervous when they start, and the music is way louder over there. So y'all probably can't even. Yeah, my head itching. recapping, y'all. Y'all got flavors. Look. This one is strawberry. Lemon berry. Oh, they had it. Pineapple, sweet peach, cherry, sugar melon. Great. I bet sugar melon smells good.
Hey, it's Big Al from the Kid Craddock Morning Show, and advice for your relationship problems happens with love.
I'll try this one out, y'all.
840 on Mix 100.
Sugar melon. Probably give me like a cantaloupe kind of smell. But I think the money said there was no fidget. No fidget, but
I wanted a.
you wanted what one?
I want a rookie.
Huh?
It's a rookie.
Well, hurry, come on, let's go see.
Come on.
You don't need me to look with you.
Yes,
You're the
I
one
do.
playing with it. Let me see what you picking through.
I'm picking through this, and that, and that.
What?
I really want a bucket of it.
They're jamming in here, y'all. I don't know. What kind of fidget?
I want like a pop tube.
That's a pop it.
I said a pop tube.
I don't know what a pop toot is. But we'll be back with y'all once we figure out which one she getting. All right. KM and Raising Damani family. Okay, y'all. Damani went and got her some new fidgets.
She's been good to me.
Hold on, wait, y'all. Let me pause the
What you
video.
got to tell
Did they
me?
see my other ones?
No, go
Well,
get
that's
them.
mainly without you.
Oh, well, and I'll read this one.
All right, what?
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to pause the
We
TV.
did.
You know we did.
Okay. However, Damani, we had to go get Damani new hair stuff so I can comb her hair now. Her hair is combed, yay. And then she wants to show you her new fidget she got today. Show them, look what you got.
With this star dimple, simple dimple.
You
And
said
this-
simple dimple?
This is a star simple dimple. This is a mini poppet.
Show them. Show the camera. Oh, mini poppet. Show them the simple dimple one.
This one, the spinning one,
Yeah. No, the simple dimple that you just showed. Oh, okay, that's called a simple dimple.
the star simple dimple.
Star simple dimple.
This is called a mini poppet.
A mini poppet.
And then I got a tangle.
That's my favorite fidget, y'all. I like that one. Okay, the other one.
And then I got a dimple spinner.
Oh, so it's a fidget spinner and a dimple popper. Dimple, simple dimple.
Simple dimple
Well,
poppet story.
That's all we were doing today, y'all. We just wanted to share a couple of our minutes with y'all today. However, Damani also got a necklace, y'all. Look. It says January,
That's
which is
my
what?
birthday.
Exactly. So come over here. I'm gonna put a necklace on for her, y'all. So I'm gonna set the camera right here. Bend down right here, but kneel down right there. Yeah.
Mama,
What?
flowers on the top.
So let me put her necklace on.
Ooh.
Why'd you want this necklace, bro?
Because
Because
I want to put it on. But I can't take it back with it. Because last time I got a thingy right here.
So we're gonna try it again. Oh, your head too big. I gotta. Too bad. Yeah, we're getting it on. Got it on, y'all. See? Okay. Oh, I put it on backwards. Hold on, y'all. It's moving too fast.
Too happy.
Too ready. Too happy to put it on them.
I'm gonna turn it around.
Let's see what we got.
Ready for the reveal?
Let's see. Hey, let's see. It looks so cute. Yeah, excuse my nail is broke. But January is when my baby was born, when a princess was born.
I just had 2014.
Yeah, we'll get you that one next time. However, thanks for watching. Make sure they do what? But stop. What do they need to do?
Subscribe and like.
And what else?
And hit the little bell.
Hit that little bell. Thanks for watching, guys. We out. Peace.